Hi guys, welcome back to App Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to comment on Tumblr post. So if there's a certain post that you like on Tumblr and would like to leave your comments on it, this is what you need to do. First of all, open up your Tumblr app. As you open up your Tumblr app, you will be able to see that you land on your homepage and that there will be a lot of posts as to what and who you followed on Tumblr. So suppose this is the particular post that I'd like to comment on. What I can simply do is you can go to the post, and then as soon as you go to the post, on the lower right side, you can see different options. Choose the second option from the left hand side that shows you a reply button. So simply tap on it. And then here what I can do is I can simply type in my comment and then tap on reply, and then my reply will have been sent to the person. Or what you can do with the post is that choose the second option from the right hand side that shows two arrows, and here now what you can do is add something that you'd like. And now on the top right corner you can see three dots again. Tap on the three dots and you can either post now, or you can choose schedule, save as draft, or post privately. Tap on done when you're done making the arrangements, and then tap on reblog. After you tap on reblog, this particular post will have been reblogged onto your own feed. So here you can see that it has been reblogged. And here you can see that I have also been able to leave my comment. So this is how you comment on Tumblr. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit the bell notification icon so that you do not miss out on any of our tutorial videos. Thank you so much for watching.